morning, students. I hope all are fine. In the previous class, we learned infinitive. Means we have started a infinitive. It means to V1. Okay. The exercise number 4. I hope you already have done. You have completed. Let's see. Combine the sentences by using a to plus infinitive. Let's see. Combine the sentences by using combine means adding, joining, combining sentences by using to plus infinitive. To plus infinitive. To plus what? Infinitive. So let's see how we combine the sentence by using to plus infinitive. To plus infinitive. Okay. Let's see examples. She is very old. She is very old. She can't work. She can't. What is that? She can't work. She can't or cannot. Whatever it is. Here, so what changes you can do? What changes you have done? Yen changes ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. She is, as it is your right. She is. Very ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ just remove the word. If time very in the sentence, you remove the very, in that place you have tried to. Very ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ very ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಟು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? ಟು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು in the place very in the second sentence. She is too, what is that next? Old. Yes. Now one sentence is complete. Okay. So how you combine 2 plus infinite? She is too old. You have tried 2. Where is the verb in the sentence? Where is the verb? Yes, verb is there. Is it right? Infinite means what? Verb. You have to write verb. Okay. She is too old to next repeat. Don't write. She is too old to what is next? Work. Both meaning are same. Both meaning are same. She is very old. She can't work. She is too old to work. ಆಕೆಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಕೆಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಕೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ಓಲ್ಡ್. ಆಕೆಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದೆ. ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ವೆರಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್. ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು. After that, where is in the second sentence? Where is the verb? You have to write here. So this part you have to remove. Don't write. Bari avashyakate illa. Bari bad. Does it understand? She is too old to walk. Walk a work. Yes, work. Let's see second example. What is that? He is very fat. He is very fat. Next what? He can't run. He cannot run. See here. Any difference is there? Same pattern is there. There also we have used very. Here also very. Okay. Here also negative. Here also negative. Okay. He is very fat. He can't walk. He cannot walk. So what you have to write first? He is. First you have to write he is. Very. In the place what you have to write? Two. He is two. What next? What you have to write? He is too fat. One sentence is completed. Mugitil one sentence. Next sentence ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಾ 2 plus infinite 2 ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. He is too fat to. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Just simply leave the negative sentence. He is too fat to. What is the next word? Verb is there. What is that? Run. He is too fat to run. Is it right? Okay. Let's see third example. I have some duties. I have some duties. I have some duties. I must perform them. I must perform them. See that. Both examples are same. First example and second example same. But third example is different. So in this case, how to write? You have to think a little bit. You have to think a little bit. Because here also no more negative word is there. Here no more very is there. So in this case, how to make combine the sentence by to infinite. Okay, let's see. First, what is that? First sentence you have to write same. First sentence you have to write. What is the sentence is there? I have some duties. Okay, as it is, you are right. Okay, here. Next, what is that? I must perform them. Both meaning are same. I have some duties. I must perform them. ನಾನು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Okay, here I have some duties. One sentence is completed. Next, what you have to write? To. I have some duties to. What is the verb is there? As verb is there. Where is that? Perform. In the second sentence, where is the verb? You have to write there. Okay, I have some duties to perform. Finish. Don't write them because already duties we have done. We have written already. Is that right? I have some duties to perform. Don't write perform them. No, already here it is saying that duties. Okay. Let's see. She heard. For example, let's see. She heard the news. She heard the news of her success. Of her success. Of her success. She was glad of that. She was glad of that. She was glad of that. So let's see. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಗ್ಲಾಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಗ್ಲಾಡ್. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಐ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, see here. She was glad. Next, what you have write? To very sentence basically answer. It means This question is completed. She was glad to. Or where is the word? Here. Here. Close. So what you have to write? V1 you have to write. V1. V1 ಬರೆಯಂತ ತಿಳಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ V2 ಐತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲೇ V1 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay. She was glad to her. She was glad to her the news of her success. News of her success. Is it understand? So something is difference is there. Is that understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Okay. In the exercise, I am going to solve 2 or 3 examples. Other examples you want to. Okay. How we solve the previous examples. First example is there. What is that? Exercise. I am solving in exercise. First, I am taking first example from the exercise. The old man is weak. The old man is very weak. Very weak. Next, another sentence is there. What is that? He can't walk even. He can't walk even. See that. Okay. The old man is very weak. Another sentence is there, that is he can't walk even. See here, I already told even previous examples already you knew that how you make the 2 and 2. So where is there? You have to think that the old man, in that case what you have to write first? The old man is, then too weak. Okay, finish. The old man is too weak. Next what? To walk. Just you have to write walk. Finish. Don't write even. Okay, that is not necessary. Last word don't write. The old man is too weak to walk. Isn't it? To walk even. ಬರೋದು ಅದು ದೆಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಇವನ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇವನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. The old man is too weak to walk even. Okay. ಬರೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Let's see second example from the exercise. He is too poor. He is too poor. He can't afford a car. He can't afford only offer a car. Already two given. Don't think to worry about it. So he is too poor as it is not right. Next what you have to write? Two. He is too poor to, what is the next? Offer a car. Offer a car. Offer a car. Finish na? What is that? He is too poor to offer a car. Let's see. For example, he is too proud. He is too proud. Is too proud. He wants. It means negative. Kata will plus alter want. He wants. Ask for help. Ask for help. Ask for what? Help. Is it? So here, next, how you write it? He is too poor or proud. Sorry, proud. Next, too. Where is the verb? Ask is that. Continue. Ask for help. Is it understand? He is too proud to ask for help. Is it right? So this like other examples. So how many examples are there? Total 20 examples are there. How many examples are there? 20. Total 20 examples are there. So what do you do? Solve the remaining examples in exercise. Exercise it means 17 examples are there. All 17 examples we have to do. Okay. Homework. Homework is what? Complete. Homework. Complete exercise number 5. Exercise number 5. Complete exercise number 5. Okay. See you in the next.